We're here with some stained insoles. We're going to try some sodium percarbonate, bleach, hot water. And what sodium percarbonate is, that's what is used in OxyClean. This is the Dollar Tree version. I renew a lot of shoes and flip them in my online store. I need these insoles because I don't have any extra insoles that fit these shoes, but someone wore these shoes barefoot, and that's what happens. That you'll see here coming towards the end, it didn't get the progress that I had hoped for. I don't believe I'm going to be able to use these. And I really gave it the college try. I went 3 rounds. And you can see here, really trying to get them clean. But when you wear your shoes barefoot, the insoles are going to just soak up all your dirty feet nonsense. Gonna have to toss those. They look better.